Hi y'all, today I will be describing how I decorated this yummy and patriotic 4th of July themed cake. Before I proceed, I thought to say thank you all for supporting this brand. I really am grateful. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for your likes, and thank you for your comments. To begin, all you need is a palette knife, a piping bag, your turntable, your cake smoother, and of course your uniced cakes. I basically stacked and crumb-coated the cakes using my yummy buttercream frosting. This is a 6-inch cake and it also has 6 layers. I popped that in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes and used the red colored frosting to create stripes to the already designed cream color. And this is just to match the stripes on the cake, on the flag. I smoothened the cake until the stripes were as clear as day and then slayed that drip. As in, the cakes got the drip. Do you see what I'm trying to do there? I added some sprinkles to the bottom layer to accentuate the colors of the flag that I put in right after, and I put in the stars. I think the most important part of this cake for me is the yummy goodness inside. Y'all need to taste this cake for real, and I'm gonna put the recipe in the link below. Would you be giving this a try? I will be happy to see the outcomes. If you do, please tag me on Instagram at edibles by Kiss.